not recycle or reuse, then quickly refuse. Help the earth, say no to plastic. Without plastic, all are fantastic, and you are majestic. Without plastic, the world is a beautiful place to live in. Do your bit and say no to toxic products. Thank you.
प्लास्टिक नहीं है भविष्य, हम इस दुनिया को बचाना है कल। आओ मिलकर इस प्लास्टिक से छुटकारा पाए, आओ एक नया भविष्य। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Jai Hind friends, I am Hardik Hiranwar, NCC cadet of 9MP Battalion and KV number 2 in the. I am giving a speech on say no to plastics today. Plastic bags are one of the most commonly used things today. It makes our work easier and gives us a lot of convenience. They have formed an essential part of our lives now. We use them almost every day for various purposes. The usage is to the extent that we often get angry at the shopkeeper who refuses to offer us the plastic bag. It becomes daunting to carry your own bag every time. The shopkeeper's refusal is due to the government ban on plastic bags. One often wonders why plastic bags make our lives easier, but at what cost? They damage our earth and environment. It is high time we all stop using plastic bags. There are a number of reasons to say no to plastic bags. We must stop using them to better our environment and save it from degradation. There are various eco-friendly alternatives that can be used to stop the usage of plastic bags. Firstly, plastic bags are a major source of plastic pollution. As they are non-biodegradable, they take years to decompose. They contribute to a lot of waste which keeps collecting over the years. Plastic takes thousands of years to break down and decompose. It remains in the land, which contributes to the rising problem of the land pollution. Similarly, it also causes water pollution as people throw away the bags carelessly on the roads, in the drains and rivers. They enter the water bodies. They are carried away by winds in them and sometimes jumped into water deliberately. This plastic bag goes deep in the water and also hampers the aquatic life. Furthermore, plastic bags contaminate the soil, causing hindrance to growth of plants. They seep into the soil after breaking down and remain there, causing infertility in soils. The chemical hampers the soil and interferes with agriculture. Most importantly, plastic causes the death of animals. The animals have no sense of what to eat and what to avoid. The stray animals gulp down plastic bags that get stuck in their bodies. In other words, this causes serious illness in their bodies. Sometimes they choke to death after eating plastic bags. How to avoid plastic bags? Though it may be difficult to avoid the plastic bags at first, it needs to be done for the greater good. Plastic is slowly and steadily eating away our planet and damaging it. The government has banned the use of plastic bags, but still people continue to use it despite the ban. In order to implement these laws strictly, the government must take strict action against the ones using it. Moreover, each of us must come forward to practice this ban and make it successful. We must not buy plastic bags from the shopkeepers. Instead, we must refuse to take our groceries in them when the shopkeeper offers us. Furthermore, we must carry our own cloth or paper bag for shopping. Try to pack your food in steel or aluminum containers instead of plastic ones. We must encourage children to avoid the use of plastic bags. If we use someone using it, we must call them out immediately. Never throw away the plastic bags on roads, as animals die after consuming it. We must come together to initiate a ban on plastic and make the world safer and healthier. Say no to plastic bags. Thanks for listening to me. Jai Hind.
पर्यावरण को स्वच्छ बनाएं, आओ मिलकर पेड़ पौधे लगाएं। जय हिंद।
पेड़ ना अब कोई कटने पाए, जंगल अब ना हटने पाए, आओ मिलकर कसम खाएं, हम सब मिलकर पेड़ लगाएं।
सेव द
we save the earth. We are the guardians of nature's birth. Jai Hind.
Our earth, our habitats, for home. Jai Hind.
Saving plants means saving your own life. It provide us with a fresh oxygen. Save trees, save life. Jai Hind.
Nurture the nature so we can have better future.